I'm here in West Lafayette where our team is working for Adam Sadati, the Purdue dive coach, on this beautiful project here behind me, barn dominium. And let's go inside and take a look. All right, what we have here is a high efficiency boiler system that is heating the concrete. That is a nice way to keep your feet and everything comfortable in the winter. It's going to heat this garage space, and there's a zone for this as well as a zone for the house space. So with this boiler system, we also have the capabilities to use it as a domestic tankless hot water heater. So we have a gas power vent water heater over here that will preheat the water and then flow it through our tankless so that they will have endless supply of hot water. Here is the plumbing, the hot and cold lines where they connect and are routed throughout the house to all the hot and cold spigots and tubs and showers. And then here in the shop slash party barn, we're going to have a mini split mounted right up there for cooling this space. Let's go upstairs and see the fun part. All right, what we've got going on up here is two ERV systems, one for the living space in the house and one for the barn area. So we're pulling in fresh air from outside that has an exchanger so that it's more efficient, and we're conditioning the air before we dump it into the duct system, into the house, and into the shop. This system will actually be zoned. There'll be a zone for the upstairs and a zone for the downstairs, which means that they will have individual control over both floors through duct system zoning. This air handler unit is going to be connected to a Daikin FIT high efficient heat pump. Here we have our takeoffs for all the supplies that are going to different places in the house. This is called the Rheia duct system, and it is a 3 or 4 inch small line that gets routed to each individual supply run, and we'll go downstairs and take a look at that a little closer. So what you're seeing here is all the supply runs that come out of the mechanical room, and these are routed through the scissor joist and head over to each supply run. All right, so here's what the ceiling diffuser looks like for the supply runs. And there's a damper system in here that has a multi-position setting, and so we're able to dial in the airflow to each individual vent, which allows us to have nice even distribution throughout the house, nice comfortable heating and cooling. There will be a nice finished trim ring that gets mounted on this after drywall. And then here's what the sidewall boots look like. There'll be a nice trim ring on that as well. So we've got sidewall, ceiling, or floor boots with this system.